Hi, my name is John Simpson. I'm from Rothesay, New Brunswick. I'm studying accounting at UNB Fredericton, and I'm working in the finance division here at JDI. I chose JDI because I've heard great things from their co-op program, and they offer students the ability to build their way up in the company and have employment after they graduate.
Hi, my name is Mark Simpson. This is my second co-op at JD Irving. I'm taking computer science at the University of New Brunswick in Fredericton, and my title this summer is a database administrator. The thing about what I like about JDI is that they put you in the line of fire right away. You're doing real projects and real work that really affects the company. So I had a lot of experience last summer. I had the same role as a database administrator, and I'm looking forward to getting even more responsibility this year.
I'm hoping to gain lots of experience in accounting and finance, as well as just gain experience in the business world, improve my communication skills, and simply just increase my financial knowledge.
I mean, obviously you want to learn as much as you can on the job. I mean, you learn a lot in school, but it's nothing like the real world, and I think that's the biggest key. And also just social and communication skills, I find that's a big key that you don't learn in the classroom, especially in a degree like computer science. They want you to branch out more, and I think this experience really lets you do that.
Should be exciting working with both my brothers, hopefully not only this summer, but also in the future.
You know, you want to stay with family as long as possible, and it's always fun coming back home after being away for a couple semesters at school. So I definitely enjoy, especially St. John and Irving is such a big influence on the area, and it's always fun to come home.
I'm really looking forward to the summer here at JDI.
Hi, my name's Alex Simpson. I did 3 co-op work terms with JDI, and now I work in the corporate finance group. I'm so delighted to have both my brothers here working at JDI this summer. It's so terrific to see them have great opportunities in our hometown and for them to kind of launch their careers from a great company.